On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Play Store can't install app problem easily and fast. So all what you have to do to fix this problem is actually so easy. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. Open the apps like this and then go to the Google Play Store right here, and now after click on it, all what you have to do here is click on the notifications management, and now here you have to disable the notifications and enable them again. Go back, click on the first stop, and now click on the storage, click on clear data from here, and now turn off your phone and turn it on again, and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.